Howdy, Possum Patty here, and it's time for the big Dollar Tree Halloween giveaway. So come on along.
I know, I'm doing giveaway number 10 before I did number 9. But number 9's a little one. Number 10 is much, much bigger, and it's all Halloween fun. If you haven't been able to get to your Dollar Tree, I have you covered here. And I'd like to get this out into the mail this week, so you'll receive this and be able to journal with all these goodies or craft with all these goodies during the month of October. So all these things are included, and if you won one of my little giveaways, you can still enter this one. Doesn't matter. Everybody can enter if you're 18 years of age and older, a visible subscriber, leave a comment below, in the US, and what else? And that's it. That's it. Well, if you want to give me a VR, I always welcome a little shout out. So this is what this Halloween mega giveaway includes. Okay, first up is a really cute, sparkly purple ribbon bows with little skulls on them. And if you don't like the skulls, you could probably just take them off. Looks like they're hot glued or wired on. But that would make for a really pretty Halloween page. Even if you want to take those off, I think it still use those. And I have 2 packs of sugar skulls. I bought this last year and I use these in my journal. They're on a garland. You can hang them for decorations or take it apart and put it in your journal. This one is all decorated for the holiday, and these are solid colors. So you have 2 packs of skulls, and these are made out of felt, and they're on a garland. Lots of those really cute little stickers. I know I went over this when I hauled them, but we have the holographic ghosts and the really cute little witches and pastel ghosts. Even the bat has pink wings. I know it's hard to see because of all the holographic stuff. And some orange and purple designs, Halloween designs, on some more holographic paper. And really cute little pumpkins, not scary, lots of fun. And this is my favorite, the little kitties all dressed up for Halloween as Frankenstein and a witch and a Day of the Dead and a devil and a mummy and a bat. They're so cute, these little kitties. Love them, love them. And some more on holographic paper, little Frankenstein, little witch. Really cute characters, not scary. And look at this adhesive diamond wrap with the purple skulls. Ooh, wow. Put a bow on that and make an awesome DIY or journal page. And the black bling bling. Can't do Halloween without some black bling bling. And this is, I know it's opened a little bit, half a pack of napkins. Because I only bought 1 pack and there were 20 in the pack. I figured I didn't need 20 spider napkins. So I took half of them and left half in the pack. So there's 10 spider napkins. And of course we have the creepy cloth in black and sort of an off-white. Awesome for decorating or DIY or journaling or ATCs or whatever you're making. Give you some awesome texture. And I have another set of these journaling cards to give away. I have the autumn with the really cute characters and the Halloween. So you have both sets of journaling cards. Gee, I wonder if they're going to come out with Christmas journaling cards. And napkins of decoupage, creepy cloth for texture. Bling bling to make that page sparkle. Add some stickers to it or some skulls and a bow. And there you have it. And I would just love to thank everybody for their support to my channel And this is for the 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it very much. So please watch this video, comment below. I'll just do a random pick off the comments. And I'm not going to check and see if you do a VR, but if you do a shout out for this giveaway, that would be awesome. Thanks so much for coming along today. Bye-bye now.